Hey everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to instantly add makeup to your face in a video on CapCut PC. So in here, I've already add a video, and you see that this person has like a simple makeup, but I'm going to add some more. So what you need to do is just click on the video and then go to the enhance under the video tab, and in here just scroll down until you find makeup. Okay, this one. So turn this feature on, click on the box. Okay, now you see there is uh this option. So to add a full makeup, you just need to click on the set here, and there will be lots of options that you can choose, like Korean schoolgirl makeup, orange sea. This one is mash tarabu and Elon makeup. So you can just choose which one that you think fits the person the best or your needs the best. Okay. Okay, I'm going to use this angel makeup, and you can see there will be automatically added to your clips. And that's all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. Bye!